How to restore a damaged thread. Threads can be temporarily restored using these methods. 1. By placing a piece of uninsulated copper wire in the hole and screwing in the bolt. The copper will bend and fill the gaps left by the damaged thread. 2. With thread locker or cold weld putty. This method will secure the bolt in the damaged threaded hole. It's suitable if the fastener isn't subjected to significant loads. The disadvantage of this method is that it will be difficult to dismantle the assembly later on. You can restore the thread completely using the following methods. 1. Drilling the old thread out and cutting a new thread one size larger than the old one. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. The good thing about this method is that it doesn't require any special equipment. You only need a threading tap and a drill of the right type and size. However, if the walls of the component are thin or the design does not allow for a bolt of a bigger size, this method cannot be used. 2. Drilling out the stripped thread and fitting the threaded insert. This method allows you to repair the connection well so that it can withstand considerable loads. Three. Applying an epoxy resin adhesive and cutting a new thread. This is a more affordable way of repairing the connection than the previous one. However, the part won't be resistant to high loads.